You can see here, it's a dreary day in Detroit. It's September, it's overcast and cloudy. And I'm talking about home selling tips. And the key on a day like today is to have all the lights on. The brighter you can have it, the better off you are. The brightness of the house makes it a big difference on a cold day, a dreary day. You want every light on that you can have. And when you're getting ready to prepare your home to sell, it doesn't hurt to put bigger light bulbs into the house. So this is a tip for selling your West Bloomfield home, is put brighter bulbs into the house, and then when you leave the house, turn on every light possible to let the most light possible into the house on a winter's day, a overcast day, a rainy day. You want light. You want it to be bright, cheery, and welcoming to the home buyer. So always have every light on. As you notice, these people even put in the under the counter lights on to make it more inviting. So if you're selling your West Bloomfield home, take this home selling tip to heart and spend a few extra dollars and turn the lights on. If you have any questions about selling your West Bloomfield home, feel free to give me a call. This is Russ Ravery, your local realtor. My cell phone number is 313-310-9855.